Hey, we're on the 25th floor. You heard me right, 25th floor. And this is Frisco, Texas. This is a luxury residence that you're gonna see the luxury and you're gonna love it. We're gonna start out and we're gonna look at the pool. So keep in mind, this is February and it's a bit of an overcast day, but you'll be able to see how pretty this is. Look at this, just look at these views. Love it, absolutely love it. So beautiful, modern couches. I love how low they sit. That's really, really cool. And we've got a fireplace here, and then we've got TV ready to go. This would be a perfect area for sports. And then look at this pool. This pool is amazing. This pool is just gorgeous. So many chairs here. So this is definitely, a lounge pool. This is a pool just to relax in. This isn't a pool to get an extreme workout. That's for the fitness center that's just right over there. We're gonna see that in a minute. But look at this, this is just awesome. Absolutely love it, and this is top floor. So look at this, so pretty. Now, let's see these views. Look at these views. This is 270 views, almost 360, 270 views. Look at this view, and look over there, it's the Star. So you can see everything that's going on at the Star with your favorite Dallas Cowboys, just right over there, easy to see. And if you're a Dallas Cowboys player and you're watching this, what a great location this would be. You could pretty much walk to work and you'd be right there. I want you to contact me. I love my Cowboys, so I want you to contact me at 214-492-9791 or just go to uptown101.com/search, and love to help my Dallas Cowboys. Okay, so here's another side of this, and isn't this just pretty? So absolutely love this pool, A+ pool, love it. All right, now let's see the club room and some of the other things that are on this floor. It's a large amenity floor.